Okay, today we're going to show you how to use the array modifier and rotate that without distorting the object mesh. So to get started, open up a new blend file, and for the purpose of the tutorial we will click a matte cap and we'll select the red color and go to Shift A, and we will use a meta ball. So click ball, hit S, shrink down, and we'll go to edit mode. Command A, make sure that's all selected, and hit Shift D and hit X to drag on the X axis, and we'll do that one more time. Shift D and X. And we'll now go back to object mode and go to the meta ball tab, and we will hit our view to 0.05 to make that smooth, and hit S, and we'll shrink that down a little bit. So now we want to add a empty. So Shift A and just hit plain access. So now if we click the meta ball and we want to now make this a mesh, go to Object, Convert to Mesh from Curve. So now if you hit Edit, you'll see that is now a mesh. Alright, so we'll come back out of that, and we'll go to now make sure our meta ball is selected, and go to the modifiers, click array, and we want to, in the relative offset on the Z axis, we'll hit 2 and then make sure that's 0. Okay, so from here, or here, make sure there's 1. Okay, so we can up the count, and then for a rotate modifier, a quick one, but it distorts, would be the add a modifier, go to the simple deform, and you'll see if you just drag the angle, it will rotate around itself, but it'll deform the balls. So that's we do not want that. So that's one way to do it, but you're not going to get an ideal shape. So we will remove that modifier, and this is pretty simple. So at this point we want to go to the object offset and use our empty to rotate. So from here we click empty, and you'll see that something crazy just happened here. So let's go back out of that, and with our ball selected, hit Control A and apply the scale. Not really sure what that does, but I know that that fixes the problem without enlarging the ball per rotate. So again, that was Control A, apply scale. Now if we go to Object Offset Empty, and we actually go to the empty, click the empty, and you hit R for rotate, you'll see that now this rotates on the empty. And just Command Z, hit R again, and rotate on the X axis. You'll see it goes that way, and Command Z that, and then now hit R and do the Z on the Z or Z axis. And this gives us sort of that, the rotate we're looking for without the distortion. So that's pretty much it. So again, you can come in here, and if you click on the meta ball again and go to your count, you can increase that and as high as you like. So that's it. A way to use the array but not distort the mesh. I hope you like that, and stop back for more tutorials in the future. Thank you.